Hey, hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as an extended screen. So here in this case you can see I'm using my iPad as a third screen. So it's really convenient, really nice thing. You can use it and you can do more work more productively. So let me show you how you do it. It's quite easy to do, but still I'm going to show you the process because a lot of people are facing issues and I was also facing issue. So first of all, make sure your iPad version supports this functionality. So here you can see these are the list of the iPads which actually supports it. There are some iPads which will only mirror the MacBook screen. For example, whatever I'm seeing here, that will be visible here also, but that is not useful at all. And then there are some versions which sports extended screen, which means I can utilize this area as well as this area. So I can basically open up some softwares here, some softwares here. So that's really good. So make sure you have iPads with M1 chips, and then let me show you the steps. On the top you have this icon, click on it, and here you have this mirror option. Click on it and here you'll see a list of all the devices which you can use to extend your screens. Now in some cases it's not visible, so in that case what you can do, you can do something like this. Let me show you. Take your iPad and connect it with a wire like this. Let me connect it. This is the solution one I was able to find. Now it is connected. It's showing the charging. Let me open this. Here we go. Now it's opened. Let me disconnect it from here again and then connect it, so I'll be able to see some prompt. So now it started charging. So yeah, this is the first step you have to do. Then you can again come back here and here again go to this setting option and click here, and it should be here, the option for the iPad. If still it's not here, in that case what you can do, restart your iPad plus your MacBook, and then make sure it's in a same Wi-Fi. It should be in if your iPad Wi-Fi is connected with Rajiv, then make sure your MacBook is also connected with Rajiv. It should be in same network, and make sure Bluetooth of both devices are also enabled. If that still doesn't work, if this way still doesn't work, in that case simply go to the settings of your iPad and sign out with your ID. Sign out and re-log in with your ID and restart your device again, and then try to connect, and it will work perfectly. I followed this method, the third method, and it worked really well. So yeah, this is how you connect. Let me know if you have any doubts. Let me know. I'll be happy to resolve those. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks so much. And one more thing I can show you inside the displays. Once you do this mirroring thing, now you can see I have mirrored it. It will appear here. You can always click on this arrange, so you can arrange the sequence of your devices. That's it. Thanks so much. Bye bye.